A failed thermal overload protector is identified by checking for continuity at room temperature and finding an open circuit where a closed circuit is expected. Start by cutting power and removing the motor from the system, or isolating the circuit so you can access the overload protector safely. With a multi-material analog or digital continuity tester set to continuity or low ohms, measure across the overload protector terminals when the unit is cool. A readable low resistance indicates the protector is closed and good. If the tester shows open line or infinite resistance at cool temperature, the protector has tripped or failed and will not reset, which is a clear sign the protector needs replacement. Before replacing anything, inspect wiring, terminals, and the motor compartment for signs of overheating, corrosion, or mechanical damage, because those issues can cause repeated failures. If the protector is built into the motor housing and not separately replaceable, the practical option is motor replacement, since the protector cannot be serviced independently. When replacing a standalone protector, match the new device to the original specifications for trip temperature, current rating, and mounting style, and confirm the new part is rated for the same ambient conditions to avoid nuisance trips or premature failures. After installation, reassemble all connections tightly, restore power, and run the motor while observing start current and temperature. A properly functioning protector will remain closed and only open if the motor truly overheats. Common mistakes include assuming intermittent trips are solved by resetting or heating the protector and not doing diagnostic checks. Measure continuity cold and inspect the motor for root causes before swapping parts. Another issue is using a mismatched replacement protector with different trip characteristics, which leads to either nuisance trips or no protection. Always verify the trip temperature and current rating on the replacement match the original. A third concern is overlooking poor connections or contaminated terminals that create resistance and heat. Clean and tighten all connections and replace damaged leads to prevent false overload indications. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and allowing users to connect with people who can replace motors or protective devices. We also help contractors find jobs and participate in our discussion community where members share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and recommended parts.